Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sell cars in Forza Horizon 5. So if you're in a game, all you have to do is pause the game. So on Xbox, simply press the button with the 3 lines. And if you're on PC, simply press the escape button. And then from here, use the RB button or the LB button and go to the cars category. And then now select buy new and used cars. Select that. And then you'd be asked, do you want to fast travel to the nearest festive site? Select yes. And then give it a few seconds. And then from here, from this option that appear, select auction house. And then choose start auction. So select that. And then now from here, find the car you'd like to sell. So for me, let's say for example, if you want to sell this car, highlight on it and then select it. And then from the menu that appears, select auction car. And then give it a few seconds, and then now you'll be given this section to create auction. So you can set the starting price. So you can use the left analog stick to adjust it or to reduce it. So select the starting price and then select the buyout price. For mine is set to default. And then now you can choose the auction length. So you can choose either 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, or 24 hours. So let's set 1 hour. And then once you're done, select confirm. And then you'll be given this prompt. You must claim any cars or credits that you have won in the auctions within 60 days or they will be lost. So select OK. And then from here, that particular car will be listed on the auction. So give it a few seconds. Now you can see this notification, that car has been successfully listed in the auction house. So you can select OK to exit it and then go back. Now from here, you can select my bids, and then now you'll find my bids. So go back, select my auctions, and then from here now you can see your car and the number of bids and all that. So that's basically it on how to sell your car on Forza Horizon 5. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.